I pulled up a stool like another old fool, trying to get her off my mind. I opened a tab, went straight for the jack, and I threw them back one at a time. Open minded proof might do the trick. She's a hell of a heartbreak to kick. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. It's the #1 name for heartaches and pains, trusted for hundreds of years. Tough enough cowboys, but don't look right now, boys. It sure ain't stopping these tears. Don't know why, but when it comes to us, it just don't do what it does. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. I guess I'm just wasting my time. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing around here that works worth a drop. Hey, if Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Even whiskey ain't got a shot.
This dance is called Faded Dreams, choreographed by Maddison, Simon Wall, and Fred Whitehouse. It's a 24 count, 2 wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restart and 1 tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, step forward, pivot half turn left, quarter turn left, stepping to side, behind and hit your right knee, into a figure 4, behind, side. Crosswalk, recover, quarter turn right, stepping forward, half turn right, stepping back, and sweep your right foot. Step back and bend your knee, touch forward. Section 2, step down, touch, step back and bend your knee, touch forward, step down, quarter turn left, stepping to side, and sweep your left foot. Behind, side, cross, step right foot to right side and sway to right, sway to left, sway to right. Transfer weight to your left foot and make a half turn left pencil. Section 3, forward mambo. Forward rock, recover, back, back with a sweep. Sailor step, behind, side, side, behind with a sweep. Into a quarter turn right, coaster step. Forward, hitch. Back, kick, coaster step. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, R2, R3, 4 and R5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2, 3 and R4, 5 and R6, 7, 8 and R. There are 2 restarts in this dance. The restart happens on wall 3 and wall 6. You dance up to 8 R count, and then you will be facing front wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, 6, R7, R8, R. Then restart the dance. 1. There's 1 tag in this dance. The tag happens at the end of wall 7. You will be facing back wall. Do these 2 count tag, 2 walks, starting with your right foot. Right, left. Count. 1, 2. That's the tag. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.